As a specialized supplier of USB rechargeable battery, Dongguan Lianguang Technology Co Limited was established in 2012. Now we have our associate factory, Dongguan Lianguang Electronic Technology Co Limited, in Dongguan. We are one of leading suppliers in develop and produce micro USB AA and AAA rechargeable battery in the world. Our factory has more than 10 patents of USB battery. Also passed the SEDEX member audited and ISO 9001. In our 1,500 square meters factory plant, we have customized USB battery production equipments, which can output 10 million pieces batteries every year. There also are series of most advanced and dependent quality testing and inspecting appliances to ensure product quality. Due to our R&D team, we can supply full series of USB rechargeable batteries, include AA, AAA, C, D, 18650, and other device batteries. Our products are tested and performed in accordance with IEC, CE, FCC, and RoHS international standards. Thanks to our good technique, plenty of production experience, excellent management, and advanced facilities, we have built up reliable partnership with hundreds of customers all over the world. Our products have been exported to more than 20 countries and regions by OEM or ODM. We warmly welcome you to inquire us and negotiate with us for mutual benefits.